Time is your most valuable currency, and yet, most people spend it like it's infinite. What if your paycheck disappeared tomorrow? How long could you survive? What if instead your money worked for you, even while you slept, traveled, or watched Netflix in your pajamas? Today, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. No fluff, no gimmicks, just strategies that smart people are quietly using to build real wealth. Stick with me, because number 3 could literally replace your 9-to-5 job. And idea number 5? Almost no one is talking about it yet. Let's unlock freedom. They say, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. And we're not about that life. Let's start simple yet powerful. Buying stocks that pay you just for holding them. But not just any stocks, dividend growth stocks. The ones that not only pay you, but increase those payments every single year. It's like giving your future self a raise, automatically. Wait, stocks? Isn't that just gambling? Only if you bet on Dogecoin during a full moon. Start small. Reinvest those dividends. Over time, it snowballs. This is how millionaires are quietly made in the background. But what if you want cash flow faster? Well, let's talk about number 2. The internet is your printing press. Create once, sell forever. Digital products like Notion templates, ebooks, or niche courses can earn you passive income on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. The only thing stopping you? The lie that you're not an expert. You only need to be one chapter ahead of someone else. And if you think selling digital stuff is hard, wait until you see how AI makes it 10 times easier. That's in idea number 4. But first, let's get a little unconventional. You've heard of real estate, but what about digital real estate? Start a faceless YouTube channel, build a blog, or grow a newsletter. These are assets that generate ad revenue, affiliate income, and sponsorships month after month. One video, one blog post. That's all it takes to go viral and bring in cash for years. Wait, you mean I could get paid just to post about my cat's skincare routine? Okay, maybe not that. But if you pick the right niche, finance, tech, productivity, you're golden. Now, remember when I said AI makes this easier? That brings us to number 4. 2025 is the year AI becomes your business partner. Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate designs. Then sell them on t-shirts, mugs, journals, without touching a single box. Platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle the shipping, returns, and customer service. This trend is booming right now. Get in before the saturation hits. But what if you want something more stable? Something that can outlast trends? Our final idea is quietly being used by wealthy families to secure generational wealth. Real estate without buying property? Yes. REITs let you invest in commercial properties like malls, hospitals, or data centers without becoming a landlord. They pay out 90% of their profits to shareholders. Translation? You earn steady income and capital growth with zero tenants calling at midnight. Ignore this, and you're missing out on one of the most recession-resistant income streams in existence. So, what do all these ideas have in common? They turn time into leverage. They buy back your freedom. They let you live, not just survive. But information means nothing without action. Which one will you try first? You're not too late. You're just getting started. If you're serious about building wealth, don't stop here. Tap the video on your screen right now, top stocks to watch this month, and stack your income streams like a boss. Because freedom isn't a dream, it's a strategy.